Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Series 2 built-in oven. Bosch ovens give users an effortless cooking experience with its cutting-edge technology and advanced features. Introducing the new Bosch Series 2 built-in oven. Achieve outstanding cooking and baking results every single meal. With the 3D hot air feature, you can bake or roast your food simultaneously on up to 3 shelves. The even heat circulation and distribution ensures each shelf cooks evenly, giving you consistent, perfect results every time. Maximize every second of your cooking time with the ability to bake or roast more dishes efficiently. Equipped with hot air grilling, this feature is perfect for roasting poultry, whole fish, or large cuts of meat. The grill element and fan alternate, while the fan circulates hot air evenly around the food for optimal results. With the hot air gentle function, heat is evenly distributed throughout the oven. Save on time and energy when baking on a single level without the need to preheat your oven. Effortlessly keep track of your cooking time with the intuitive red LED display control. To prevent misuse or unauthorized usage, the oven comes with a childproof lock as an added safety feature. Simply touch the key button to activate the childproof lock. Keep your little ones safe while you're occupied in the kitchen with peace of mind. With 5 shelf levels, you are given the flexibility to prepare multiple dishes in one go. Whether you're baking or cooking, this allows you to put everything you need in the oven all together, all while achieving top-quality dishes. The triple glazed cool touch door is designed to keep the exterior cool to the touch, providing an added layer of safety for you and your family. With a total connected load of 2.4 kilowatt, it's perfectly suited for HDB homes, ensuring efficient energy use without compromising power. It's designed to optimize energy consumption, ensuring you can cook your meals effectively without worrying about high electricity usage. Designed for every cook in mind, this oven makes preparing quality meals easier than ever. With its versatile features that support various culinary styles, the Bosch Series 2 built-in oven is built to meet the diverse demands of every kitchen.